Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back my YouTube channel. My name is Tasya Nalgustia Ningsi. You can call me Acha. Okay, this time I will review Scarlet product that is already popular in Indonesia. What is it? Yeah, body lotion from Scarlet Whitening. Body lotion Scarlet Whitening is a local brand owned by artist Felicia Angelista with focus on beauty care products. Wow! I have this product for a long time. I bought this product in Myanmar. This body lotion has 3 variants. There are calming, romance, and fantasia. And I like the variant calming body lotion. Ta-da! I get the information body lotion Scarlet from review TikTok, and I try to use this body lotion, and yeah, I like it products. Let's try to apply the lotion with variant calming body lotion Scarlet. You can see my hand. The texture is very soft, absorb quickly into the skin. And I like this body lotion the most because it smells very good. Okay, you can see different instantly in my hand because big hair and heel down. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to try other variant body lotion from Scarlet Whitening, and like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys.